There are many different safety considerations you need to think about on your job every day. People who work in housekeeping have specific duties and responsibilities. The kitchen staff has their own set of rules and regulations relating to their work. Workers in the maintenance shop face an entirely different hazards than those working in the laundry. There is, however, one safety concern that applies to everyone, and that is safe lifting. Whether you work in housekeeping, the kitchen, or maintenance, you need to learn safe lifting techniques and practice them every time you lift anything. It's vital to your own safety and health. Remember, the only person that can prevent back injuries is you. The property can provide you with training and information, but it's really up to you. After all, you're the one who does the lifting, and only you can make sure you do it right. You might ask why safe lifting is so important. It's a common question, and the answer is simple. Unsafe lifting causes back injuries. That's a fact that cannot be denied. You may have been lifting incorrectly for years, but it only takes one unsafe lift to seriously injure your back. Is it really worth the risk? A back injury can result in severe pain, time off from work, reduced pay, and painful rehabilitation. Smart people lift safely. Your spine or backbone is a very sensitive part of your body. It provides your body with good flexibility and good back posture. The spine is made up of vertebrae, or bones separated by discs. These discs act as a cushioning agent between the vertebrae and allow your back to remain flexible. Improper lifting can damage 3 different components of your back. Over the years, incorrect lifting procedures can cause degeneration of spinal discs. This condition is permanent and very serious. The muscles and ligaments in your back are designed to stretch when you move, but overstretching can cause the muscles to tear. It's easy to see why safe lifting techniques are so important. The basic safe lifting procedure is simple and easy to understand. To begin, place your feet close to the item you are going to lift. Squat down, close to the object, keeping your back in its natural curvature. Get a good grip on the object. Next, bring the item close to your body to reduce the stress caused by the 10-to-1 lever principle. Once you have the item close to your body, stand up keeping your back as straight as possible. That's the basic safe lifting technique, and it does work. Let's take a quick look at a complete safe lift to show you again the proper method. Remember, bend your legs, not your back. But in a hotel environment, you're not always just picking up a box. This is where your common sense and good judgment comes to play. If at any time you feel an item is too heavy to lift or move alone, ask for help. Don't try to lift it alone. Twisting your back while lifting can also create back problems. You should never twist while lifting anything. This point is often overlooked because people are busy trying to get the job done, and sometimes they forget about safety. Instead of twisting your back, pick the item up, pivot your feet, then set the item down. Or rearrange the items to reduce the need to twist. This simple method can save you a lot of potential pain and agony. Don't overstretch your back. We realize that you must stretch to a certain degree to perform your job in an efficient manner. But there's no reason to overstretch. Stretching too far can damage muscles and stretch ligaments in your back. When making a bed, don't bend over when tucking the sheets under the mattress. Squat down and then tuck in the sheets. It doesn't take any more time, and it protects your back. If you have to lift something over your head, do so very carefully. Lift the item from the ground and set it on the shelf or other mid-level surface. Then, reposition your grip and carefully lift the item over your head. Safe lifting procedures should never be ignored. Even if the item you lift is lightweight, such as bed linens, procedures must be followed. Bend your legs, keeping your back in its natural curvature, and then lift the item. If at any time you have a question about your ability to perform a lift safely, stop and ask your supervisor. They would rather show you the right way than lose a valuable associate. Also, push carts. Pulling a cart places undue stress on your back, arms, and shoulders. Push the cart. The point we want to stress most is personal responsibility. You and no one else are responsible for the health and condition of your back. If you practice safe lifting techniques, it will greatly reduce your risk of injury, and you'll be a safer and more professional associate. Nobody else can do it for you. A healthy and pain-free back is a luxury taken for granted by many individuals. Don't take your health for granted. Follow the safe lifting techniques outlined in this program, and you'll be doing your part to prevent back injury. Remember, bend your legs, not your back. Don't overstretch. Avoid twisting while lifting. And get help with heavy or awkward items. Remember, the safety and security of your property depends directly upon considerate, conscientious associates who care. Take personal responsibility for your safety, the safety of your coworkers, and our guests. If you have any questions about the information in this program or any other safety question or concern, please ask your supervisor.